Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and it's that time of year again. Time to put your car away for winter storage. So here in northern New Jersey, the days are short. I'm filming this in November. I usually put my cars away around Thanksgiving. Sometime we don't get any snow in December, but a lot of times we get a storm the first week of December, whether it's big or small, they've already salted the road. So I kind of use Thanksgiving weekend to put the cars away. So this is the car I've owned the longest ever, not just now, my 2005 Acura NSX. I've owned this for 9 years and it's my baby. I love this car. I had if you follow the channel, you know when my channel started, I had a 1995 NSX. Has my channel been around that long? I think the first videos I did were like 2017. I may have posted a video of my NSX in 2016 when I sold it. So I bought this car in 2016. I'm filming this in 2025. I had what they call an NA1. The first gen NSXs are kind of set up NA1 cars and NA2 cars. This is an NA2 car, and the last year of production, which is 2005. This is my favorite color on the car. Like I love my Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3. Well, this is Long Beach Blue Pearl on the NSX, and it came out in 2002. Sorry for the wind, it's that time of year. 2002, when they went to the fixed headlights, they added some new colors, including this Long Beach Blue Pearl. It was available for 4 model years, 02, 03, 04, 05. They made a total of 88 cars, so about 22 a year, give or take. And this is the last year they made it. They made about 22 or 24 in 2005. You had a choice of 2 interiors, black or tan. My original NSX had a black exterior and a tan interior.